Mekgatlo ya dipolotiki e 15 hammoho le nkgetheng ya ikemetseng e ne e nkgisetsana mahafi dikgethong tsa tlatsetso tse neng di le mmasepaleng wa lehae wa Ditsobotla moo ho neng ho lwanela ditulo tse 39. ANC e lahlehetswe ke ditulo tse 4 ho tse 20 tseo e neng e di hapile dikgethong tse fetileng. Ha jwale ha hona makgatlo o hapileng ka kotloloho hore ebe ona o nkang diqeto masepaleng. Jwale potso ke hore ebe ho tla ba le mmuso wa kopanelo masepaleng enwa.
No party has achieved an absolute majority, so coalition politics will be the name of the game. The question, however, is how will this coalitions be formed? We know that the ANC is a lot closer to the EFF than, for example, to parties like the DA and a few others.
Mekga ya bohanyetsi e re ha iso be le dipuisano ka ha mmuso wa mofuta ona.
In the EFF coalition negotiations are led and directed by the national leadership. So as things stand, we are not in talks with anyone. We are still waiting for direction and guidance from the upper structures of the economic freedom fighters.
The in Northwest will be working very, very hard towards 2024 to convince as many voters as possible to put their trust behind the DA so that we can achieve our goal of ushering in a new era in South African politics at a national level.
We will not at this stage form a coalition with any party, but we will vote against the ANC as the ANC has proven that they cannot govern Ditsobotla.
Mikutu ya SABC ya ho buisana le ANC ha ya atleha. Baahi bona bare ha bana tshepo ya hore mmuso wa kopanelo o ka tlisa diphetoho tseo ba di labalabelang.
Wa go tshwantse gore no yana go nne le mekgatlo e mengwe mentsi mo nakong e tshwana le na ke bona gore di phetoga di tlo go nna teng ka go tlo go nna le dikgwagakgwagano
go bontsha gore dio di a fetoga ka gore ANC e stiluse ditunya tse di malwanyana e ngwe ya tlhatlo go bontsha gore mo nakong e tlang in 5 years time di tlo go change di tlo go fetoga.
Ke nagana gore it will be worse and worse ya ka ke nagana gore se tsentse go le worse.
Ditulong tse 39 masepaleng ANC e fumanetse 16, EFF e fumanetse 10, DA yona e fumanetse 6. Tse setseng di arolelanwa ke mekgatlo e meng. Selwane Gagau, SABC News, Lichtenburg.